So Olivia, it's Sachin, and today I'm going to run you through setting up your email forwarding so we can begin to qualify your leads 24/7 and within 5 minutes. So before we get started, if you require any assistance, just click on this bubble and you can access our support team, or equally you can use this email address, support@getolivia.co, and we'll answer any questions for you there. As soon as you've signed up, you'll receive a couple of welcoming messages in your dashboard. There's also a link there which will help you run you through how to create a script. But before we begin to handle any of your leads, we need to set up a forwarding rule in your email inbox. And this tutorial is designed for Outlook forwarding. So the starting point of this is to copy your unique Olivia email address, which is here. So just copy that. Then if you just bring up Outlook, and from your inbox, you just click on File, and you'll see Rules and Alerts. Double click here, and we'll just create a new rule. And you apply this on all messages you receive. Click Next, tick From People or Public Group. And the first rule we're going to set up is for the Zoopla email. So just type in members@zpg.co.uk, which is where the lead inquiries are generated from Zoopla. Just click OK, then Next, and then forward it to people or public group. And this would be setting up the rule to come to your unique Olivia email address. Just paste in the address which we copied earlier on. Click Next, Next again, Finish, and that's the Zoopla rule created. Now, pretty much exactly the same thing, but we're going to do this for Rightmove. So apply rule on messages I receive, click Next. From people or public group, click on people or public group. Now we're going to use the email which generates lead inquiries from Rightmove, and that would be autoresponder@rightmove.com. Just click OK, Next, and then forward to people or public group. And here again, you'd just place in your unique Olivia email address and click OK. Next, Next, Finish, and Apply, and we are all done. And that's it. So now email forwarding is set up for Rightmove and Zoopla inquiries, and we can begin to start qualifying your leads. The next step would be to create your live script, which is here. There's another tutorial for you to follow. Look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day.